Hi, it's Jen from Rustic Rehabs. Today we're painting with Anvil. We're painting our way through the DIY paint colors alphabetically. I'm using Anvil because it is a nice soft black and it has a built-in top coat. We're going right over the top of Americana, which I painted this several months ago and the piece hasn't sold, so I decided to mix it up and make it a little more classic with a clean black. I love the cottage colors because of the built-in top coat. It makes it really easy to put a couple of coats of paint on, wait for it to dry, and you are set. If you want to distress it, you can, but if you don't and you want just the full coverage of a clean paint job, you are all set. Please ignore my cat. I don't know what her problem is. As soon as I start trying to do voiceover, she's like a toddler. I put on one good coat and now I'm waiting for that to dry and we're going to paint a lamp. I painted this lamp live a couple of weeks ago. It's a mixture of Fancy Farm Girl and Aviary, some stuff I had left over from doing a window painting class. This window class was so fun. We used decoupage paper, all kinds of paints, and we've got more classes coming up, so make sure to check out my website, rusticrehabs.com. Now the dog is chewing her bones, so I should have went to my bedroom to make this video, guys. I'm so sorry. I'll do 2 good coats of this and then check for any misses, and then this will be ready to go. Painting lamps is a great way to take a good piece that's got an aged finish. This one had a bunch of flowers on it, and turn it into something that you like. A few touch-ups on the clock and we'll be good to go. Here are the finished products. You really want to get yourself a can of this paint. You can use it on anything and it is so easy. It has a satin finish and it looks gorgeous. Drop me any questions or come on in and take a visit if you're local. Thanks for watching. We are on to the next color, which is Apothecary. I'll talk to you all soon. Take care. Bye.